So this is reading heat, some boilers. So yeah, this is the boiler room. You don't want to tell a story about that?
I don't know what's happening.
Alright, so we got boilers. We got 2 boilers.
Okay.
I assume this is feeding. All those, so those little wall, those aren't electric, and it's not gas. They're being fed by these with heating hot water
Okay.
to all those little under the sill
Uh-huh.
units. So 2 boilers. We got our pump right here.
Yep.
Expansion tank right here.
Got it.
Water treatment right there.
Mm-hmm.
And that is also a backflow preventer.
Yep.
And that is being our fill and makeup right there. So that's a pressure reducing valve. The little dome bell looking guy.
Mm-hmm.
It's feeding, the making up water for the system.